This is a newer type of craft that came out, and it's kind of a cross between embroidery, cross-stitch, paint by number, really pretty images. There's some designs out there, and they end up sparkly. That's why they call it diamond painting. So the items that you would receive in your packet would be the canvas, the actual image, and when you peel back the white cover, it's sticky and it has these symbols and numbers on it that coincide with these numbers. And these numbers are all labeled on your packages of beads that come in, so you can coordinate everything together. And you also get the pasting tools and the little tray to hold the beads. And some of the items may vary depending on where you get it from. So you're just spreading them out in the tray so that they're easier to pick up, right?
That the tops.
Oh, that they're the sparkles on the top. I see.
Because you got the flat bottom.
Uh-huh.
And then you got the rounded top.
Gotta make sure we get the rounded, sparkly part on the top. Then you're taking your pin and just picking them up. And how are they sticking to the pin?
With this stuff.
So that needs to go into the pin a little bit every so often.
Yeah. So you just barely need a little bit.
Just a tiny bit.
To make it sticky.
And then you go and you pick up your little piece and stick it on. It's pretty simple. It seems relaxing. Goes faster than I thought. Do you ever use the one that picks up 4 at a time or
No.
2 at a time?
I haven't tried those.
You just like doing the individual ones?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? Awesome. Looks pretty simple. So these are some designs we have available in our eBay store and Mercari store. There's a lot of variation of patterns, and we also have many in different sizes. Some of them are 30 by 30 centimeters, and some are larger, 40 by 40. And we also have variation of designs like Halloween and Christmas. They're the popular ones right now. So go check out our store in the link below.